This is Black Raider News.
Hey Black Raider News, I'm Alana.
And I'm Eliana. Welcome to the latest Black Raider News.
First of all, a very happy holidays to all of you viewers. There's no school from January 21st to December 1st for the winter break. School will resume on January 2nd, 2020. When we get back from break, midterms are right around the corner, January 21st through 24th. Yay! So many exciting things are happening at the Winslow High School.
Our first segment is a new one. Let's go check in with Emily and Ellie as they get to know Simon, one of our foreign exchange students.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Ellie, and today we are here with...
Simon Schulte, to you guys known as Simon.
So today we just had some questions for you. And so starting off, could you show us where you're exactly from on this map?
Right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you miss most from back home?
Honestly, there's no big thing that I would miss. I mean, of course, I miss my friends and my family and stuff, but really, I mean, the food is a lot different, so that's something. But overall, I don't really have a big thing that I miss.
So I heard that you really like corn dogs.
Yes.
Can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah,
Okay.
so, I mean, corn dogs, it's such a simple, it's so simple. I mean, you just take a sausage, put a stick through it, and like, just put like, what is it, bread, pancake, that kind of stuff? And what do you do with it? Fry it?
Yeah.
It's so simple, but we don't have it. And when I had it the first time, I ate like 2 or 3 of those. They're wonderful, all right? They may be junk food and they may make you obese, but they're good.
That's great.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad you liked it.
Could you speak a little bit on how German schooling is different from American schooling?
Give me a second to think. So basically, here you go from class to class. You have, what is it, 5 minutes, a few minutes? You go to get different class. Well, in Germany, most of the times the teachers come to you. Of course, there's a few special classrooms for chemistry or so on that you got to go through, but overall the teachers go to your room, and you stay therefore in one class, which means you have one class with people who more or less voted the same classes, and they're all together. Except for, well, a few classes, like some people voted French, others voted Latin, but overall you'll stay with the same 30 to 40 people in one classroom. So instead of meeting a lot of people in a lot of different classes, you only got your own class.
Interesting.
Yes.
So that, very different.
Well, yes.
So, can you do an American accent, or can you try to do one?
I mean, if I could, I would. Just in like average day life, but I mean, I can.
Do you want to read that sentence?
Oh boy.
I'm going to one.
I mean, I can, you know what, I can try like Alabama boy, that kind of stuff. I'm going to McDonald's and then driving my big truck back down my house to watch the big football game that's on tonight. That was horrible, wasn't it?
Well, thank you for your time, Simon. We
Yes.
really appreciate it.
Hope you have a
you're
great
welcome.
rest of your year.
Yes.
Now, can you say bye in German?
Of course. Auf Wiedersehen, meine Freunde.
Did you know last week was the Hour of Code week?
No, what was that all about?
Hour of Code was an event created by Code.org. Last week, around 250 of our students spent the whole block coding in their math and science classes.
That's so awesome. Can I still do that?
Yeah, just head over to Code.org and you can get started now.
Hi Raiders, I'm Waverly.
I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Gage.
Hey Gage, welcome back.
On December 17th, 18th, and 19th, the 8th graders at Winslow Junior High School will be going to the Challenger Center of Maine in Bangor.
And the 6th graders will be attending in January.
December 20th, the Winslow Junior High School will be having an ugly sweater contest.
At 12:45 in the auditorium.
And I'm not getting second place for the third year in a row. On January 17th, the Winslow Junior High School will have a school dance from 6 to 8 p.m.
No.
Not a dancer?
How are we doing, Raider Nation? It's Derick, back again with the cheerleading team. Today, I'm here with Kylie and
Lila.
Lila. Gorgeous. So, how's the season going, guys?
Phenomenal.
Anything to add?
Really good.
So, we have a lot of sports fans here at the school, and we were wondering if we could catch you at any games.
We will be cheering for a lot of the home games for basketball.
Wonderful. And, you know, it's always been my dream. Do you think I could join the cheer squad?
No.
Okay. Back to you guys.
Trey will be glad to see that Riley's back with another parking PSA. Let's head there now.
Hi, I'm Riley Loftus, and today I'm going to teach you how to drive in the parking lot.
Would you look at that? You can't enter through this way. You gotta go that way.
They were so nice, they even repainted the arrows for us, so you don't go the wrong way. You see the arrow, you follow it this way.
So that's how you drive in this new parking lot. Holiday edition. Now, if you still need help on how to park, look over at our last year's video, How to Park PSA. Thanks for following these rules.
On December 4th, Winslow High School hosted Admit-In-A Day. This year, 61 students made 120 appointments with admissions representatives from USM, UMF, UMaine, Husson, Thomas, and KVCC.
What's amazing is that 60 of the students who made appointments were accepted. Congratulations, Black Riders.
Oh, man. Alright, you can tell them. It's fine. Alright, hey guys, didn't see you there. Of course you saw them. You set up the camera yourself. No one else is even here. Hey, gang. Shoot, I can't do it. I can't say things about gangs. Got it, okay. Salutation. Oh, I miss Devin. You know how to handle this. Okay, guys, it's Aaron. And, well, you may have noticed that I'm having some trouble locating the pool room, and there's a reason for that. And, well, it's because I don't know how to swim. Oh. Okay, so I created a 5-step plan for how I'm gonna stop not being scared of water. Just step 1, I'm gonna take more baths because maybe if I'm in the water more, I'll grow gills or something. Step 2, I'm gonna drink more water because then I'll become like the water. Step 3, I'm gonna figure out what H2O means because I looked up how to not be scared of water and it said that and I don't know what that is. All right, after I do those things, I'm gonna do step 4, which is I'm gonna buy a fish. His name is Carl. I got him from an illegal Chinese website. And then I'm gonna do number 5, which is watch the fish. And I'm gonna figure out how Carl doesn't die. And then number 6, I'm gonna call Devin again. And hopefully he picks up this time. And then number 7, I'm gonna buy groceries because I'm hungry and I'm out of groceries. And that's the plan. Hey gang, I'm gonna get started on my 5-step plan. So while I do that, I would ask you guys to please like and subscribe for us. We would really appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna go call Devin now. Have a nice day, gang.